What are some of the steps for us to find our unique value proposition?
I'll give you one scenario here. Have you ever seen the ads of Lalita Jewelries?
Sometimes in the theater, I believe.
డబ్బు సంపాదించడానికి ఎంత కష్టపడుతున్నారు.
Today, his business Lalita Jewelries exists in a very small town, either in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana.
Okay.
How he has done it? A lot of people are there in the gold business, like big players and all. Celebrities coming and doing their branding and promotion activities, right?
Absolutely.
But he has come up and nailed it. I mean, usually, when you go to the gold shop, ma'am, please don't take the videos, don't take the snaps. But even
Right.
if he himself
Uh-huh.
will come and, guys, you come to my shop,
Right.
see all the design, take snaps,
Right.
go out, visit 10 different jewelry shops.
Yeah.
If you find this design, if you find this kind of assurance and all, you please
Right.
buy there.
Right.
I understand you won't get the money so easily. This is his tagline. A small logic, how you want to be different. What is your specific unique quality that you are promoting there?
I think
This
I've
is
learned
what-
something very powerful from you today, because a lot of times people say that, hey, we are not big business owners. हमारे पास उतना budget है ही नहीं that हम
Yeah.
बड़े-बड़े stars को या celebrities को अपने business को endorse करने के लिए दे. But you are the face of your business. And if you can speak the credibility of your business with something
Exactly.
unique, like the way Lalita Jewelers person did, I mean, you stand out even amongst the big players.
Exactly. See, ऐसा नहीं है कि he is killing the market. He
Yeah.
is creating market for his business.
Absolutely. बहुत सारे लोग मुझे कहते हैं किरण कि मेरे बिजनेस के लिए मार्केट नहीं है, मेरे बिजनेस के लिए मार्केट नहीं है. And with this one statement that you just said, what I have understood is that there is a market for every business, but you need to know how to create your unique value
Exactly.
proposition.